People who haven't studied painting often can't distinguish between peach and plum blossoms in artwork. Here's a tip to easily identify the flowers in paintings: peach, plum, apricot blooms, cherry and begonia too. Peach blossoms have long, oval petals with pointed tips. They usually bloom alongside clusters of leaves. Classic peach blossom images: single petals or double petals. Note: apricot and bird paintings often show peach blossoms. Apricot and plum petals are rounder than peach blossoms. Plum and apricot flowers look alike. Apricot has more petals. Apricot blossoms grow in denser clusters than plum blossoms. Famous apricot blossom art: sketches, cloud scenes, and prints. Some plum blossoms have green stems when blooming. Pear, cherry, and begonia have longer stalks than the others. Pear and cherry blossoms look similar but have different colors. Pear blossoms are purple-red, cherry blossoms are yellow. Now try identifying the flowers in these paintings yourself.